Lucky Cement was established in 1996 and is now Pakistan's largest cement producer and leading exporter of quality cement with a production capacity of 7.75 million tons per annum. The process of mining involves blasting of limestone and clay from rock quarries by boring and setting explosive. The technology used in this process is modern and efficient. Once the huge rocks have been fragmented, they are transported to the plant in dump trucks or by conveyor belt. The quarry stone is then delivered through chutes to the crusher, where it is reduced to small chunks by crushing or pounding. The proportional mix of different types of clay, limestone or any other required material is known as pre-homogenization. Each of the raw materials is separated and kept in silos, where it will later be added in specific amounts according to the particular type of cement being produced. Raw material milling takes place in vertical steel mill, which grinds the material through the pressure exerted by 3 conical rollers. Horizontal mills, inside which the material is pulverized by means of steel balls, are also used in this phase. Raw meal homogenization takes place in silos equipped for obtaining a homogeneous mix of the material. In calcination, huge rotary kilns come into play. Inside, at 1400 degrees Celsius, the raw material is transformed into clinker, small dark grey nodules 3 to 4 centimeters in diameter. The clinker is grinded by different size steel balls while it works its way through the mill's 2 chambers, with gypsum being added to extend cement setting times. The cement is then housed in storage silos from where it is hydraulically or mechanically extracted and transported to facilities where it will be packaged in sacks or supplied in bulk. In either case, it can be shipped by rail car, freighter, truck or ship. Quality assurance is achieved by several types of testing, which includes wet chemical method, compressive testing and X-ray analyzers as per international quality standards. Lucky Cement maintains its technical standard of quality parameter at high level. Ordinary Portland cement has easy workability, lower heat of hydration with high strength at all ages. By maintaining tricalcium aluminate level with the specified limit of 3.5%, sulfate-resistant cement is more resistant to sulfate attacks and is suitable for use in foundations near seashores and canal linings. Lucky Cement also has the capacity to export clinker for customers who have their own grinding units. Clinker can easily be handled by ordinary mineral handling equipment and can be stored for several months without compromising on the quality. Lucky Cement has seized every opportunity to become the market innovator by providing value-added services to facilitate its customers. It has 2 production facilities. One is located in Pezou, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, to cater northern region of Pakistan, and another unit is in Karachi to furnish the southern parts of Pakistan. The company has a network of more than 200 dealers all over the country. Lucky Cement is used throughout the country for construction of public infrastructure as well as renowned real estate projects. The Lucky brand has dominated the local construction market and is the first choice of cement for many builders and consultants. Lucky Cement also provides service of transportation fleet of loose cement bulkers as well as ship loaders at the port and is Pakistan's first company to export sizable quantities of loose cement. Lucky Cement is the only cement manufacturer to have loading and storage terminals at Karachi port. Lucky Cement has following distinct attributes which enable it to stand out amongst competitors. Economies of scale. Effective planning and on-time execution has enabled Lucky Cement to increase capacity efficiently and provide maximum values for shareholders. Cost-efficient energy sources. To conserve fuel and to become energy efficient, Lucky Cement converted its furnace oil operating engines to gas-fired systems. State-of-the-art technology. Lucky Cement uses state-of-the-art technology to ensure high-quality standards and efficient output that helps it to outperform its competitors. Proven track record of time expansion. Lucky Cement has a first-mover advantage in capacity building, exploring new markets, innovative supply chain solutions, and providing better quality cement while being cost-effective. Environment-friendly business operations. Lucky Cement has invested in the Pro-Environment Waste Heat Recovery project, which uses steam to heat up boilers and produces electricity from its own wasted heat and thus minimizes the environmental hazard. This project qualifies under the Clean Development Mechanism. Lucky Cement has been accredited by various local and international bodies of standards for its exceptional quality standards. ISO 14000, ISO 9001-2008, Bureau of Indian Standards, Kenya Bureau of Standards, South African Bureau of Standards, Sri Lankan Standard Institute, Standards Organization of Nigeria. Lucky Cement has focused on various projects including interventions in education, health, environment, and energy conservation. Lucky Cement respects humanity and works for raising standards of living for the underprivileged and lends them a helping hand whenever needed. Yunus Brothers Group has diversified interests in the fields of textile, cement, construction and power generation. Yunus Brothers Group consists of following companies: Lucky Textile Mills Limited, Fazal Textile Mills Limited, Gadoon Textile Mills Limited, Lucky Energy, Lucky Cement Limited, Yunus Textile Mills. Yunus Brothers Group has also established the following not-for-profit institutions: Aziz Tabba Foundation, Aziz Tabba Kidney Center, Tabba Heart Institute. Lucky Cement is an integral unit of the Yunus Brothers Group, which is Pakistan's largest export house. For more details, please contact